Let's talk about how to look poor to make yourself rich. Now, I know that sounds a little strange, but stick with me because it's all about finding a way to break out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building a better future for yourself and your family. The struggle of living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a struggle that far too many of us know. I've lived it. You put the hours in, you hustle every day, but somehow it never feels enough. Bills pile up, and the moment you think you've got a little extra cash, it disappears like magic. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it can make you feel hopeless. But what if I told you there's a way out? What if you could take control of your finances right now? Even if you're not making a fortune, imagine quietly building your wealth without feeling the pressure to live like everyone else. My personal story from struggling to saving. I remember when I was just getting by, working a regular job yet constantly stressed about money. After rent, bills and food, I barely had a penny left over. The anxiety of what would happen if my car broke down or if I had an unexpected bill pop up was always looming over me. Then one day, reality hit me. If I kept doing what I was doing, nothing was going to change. I needed a plan and I needed it fast. One of my favorite quotes is, "Sanity is when you keep doing the same thing over and over but expect different results." I began by taking a closer look at my expenses, questioning myself as I was going through it. Is this something I really need? I noticed I was spending on things that provided short-term satisfaction, like dining out or purchasing new outfits, but they won't benefit me in the long run. So I had to make some hard choices. Looking poor to get ahead. So here's the approach. Looking poor doesn't mean you have to give up everything you enjoy. It's about making smarter choices that help you save money and gradually build wealth. But first, if you're enjoying what you're watching, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Your feedback really helps me make more videos that you enjoy. So here's how I did it. Number 1, cut down on unnecessary spending. I began by tackling where my money was going, and I realized I was buying things I rarely used or even forgot I had. By cutting out these unnecessary purchases, I was able to save a surprising amount. It's amazing how much you can save by eliminating the little expenses that don't really make a difference in the long run. Number 2, choose affordable alternatives. I used to spend at least around £5 daily on grabbing lunch at work every day, which added up quickly. So I started planning my meals ahead of time and packing my lunch instead. I began preparing simple, healthy meals at home and I brought them into work. This small change made a huge difference in my spending. I went from spending £100 a month on grab-and-go food to just a fraction of that. Not only did I save a substantial amount of money, I also felt better knowing I was eating healthier and I was in more control of my monthly budget. Focus on essentials. I prioritized putting money into savings before tackling my high interest credit card debt. Focusing on building an emergency fund first made a significant difference, providing me with a financial cushion. Once I had that safety net in place, I then concentrated on reducing my debt, which had been consuming a large portion of my income due to its high interest. These steps were crucial for me breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and gave me more control over my finances. Avoid keeping up with the Joneses. I know it's really tempting to buy new gadgets, designer clothes or fancy cars to make yourself look successful. I fell into that trap myself, thinking that these things would somehow make me happier or more respected. But over time, I realized that this was just adding to my financial stress. What truly matters isn't how rich you look to others, but how secure and stable you are financially. Focus on building a solid foundation for yourself, saving, investing wisely, and living within your means rather than trying to impress others. Trust me, real financial security comes from smart choices, not the flashy appearances. Automate savings. I used to struggle with saving money because after covering bills and daily expenses, there was rarely anything left. Then I learned about the concept of paying yourself first. I set up an automated transfer to my savings account as soon as I got paid. Even if it was £10 or £20 at first, it made a big difference over time. By making these transfers automatic, you'll ensure that you save before you've had a chance to spend. It's a simple but powerful strategy that helps you build your saving consistently even when you're on a tight budget. Hope for the future. Now, I know it might sound tough, and it is at first, But trust me, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. When you start making these changes, even small ones, you begin to see progress. You start to build a cushion, and that's when the stress starts to lift. You'll find yourself less worried about the next bill and more focused on what you can achieve with the money you saved. Every pound you save is a step towards financial freedom. It's not about becoming rich overnight, it's about slowly and steadily building a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving. So if you're feeling stuck, I want you to know that you're not alone. There's a way out, and it starts with small, smart choices. Don't worry about looking rich, focus on building real wealth and you'll get there. If you're finding this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions and hit that subscribe button. Your feedback helps me understand what you like and if this is something you want more of. Also, check out my other video on 9 middle-class habits keeping you in the rat race for more tips on breaking free and improving your financial situation.